Hello friends and loved ones, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S recipes. As you can see, in today's video we're gonna make vegetables fried rice. Yes, this is gonna be a really quick one, so let's start cooking. Alright friends, so on this side I've already cooked some rice and I used about 3 cups of basmati rice. And I also use chicken broth to cook this rice, so it's almost done. So I'm just gonna cover and have it cook for extra 5 minutes, and then it will be ready. So next, I'm using here coconut oil that I really love, but if you don't have coconut oil, you can use any preferred oil of your choice. And also I have here some eggs that I'm adding, and just a few pinch of salt for the taste. So after you fried your egg, and when you feel it is hard enough, go ahead and remove it from the saucepan, okay? So I'm gonna add extra coconut oil, and that is what we're gonna use to prepare our rice. So I've already diced about 1 medium onion, and it can be white, it can be purple, it can be red. And also I added here my crushed garlic, and then I have here some ginger powder. And of course, I'm adding here my herb seasoning that I really love, but you can use any seasoning that you have at home. This is going to be a very quick one. So on the next step, I just added my cooked rice. So just feel free and go ahead and add it at this moment. And make sure that you don't overcook your vegetables. So go ahead and stir for just 5 minutes. So when you are done, just go ahead and add any preferred vegetables of your choice. You know how much I really love carrots, so I'm adding here just few carrots and also green peas that I have here in my freezer that I don't know what to do with it. So I'm just adding that as well. So after you're done, go ahead and stir and let it cook for just 1 minute, okay? Alright friends, so if you're looking for something really simple, to prepare at home, this fried rice is like, a recipe to give it a try. So I just added my fried rice seasoning, and also I'm adding here some oyster sauce that I really like. And when you're done, go ahead and stir this, really quick. Also, I forgot to mention that we are using about a high medium heat to prepare this fried rice, okay? So after you're done, just go ahead and add your fried eggs. It is almost done. Alright friends, so we are almost done. I'm adding here my fried eggs and also soy sauce or black sauce. Just go ahead and give it a very quick stir. It is almost done. Rice looks so nice and the smell is just amazing. This is like the quickest fried rice recipe that I've ever made, and I really love it because the smell, the taste, just delicious. Alright friends, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you truly enjoyed this recipe. And like I said, I use basmati rice. You can actually use any rice that you have at home, and I believe that your family is gonna love it. Alright friends, so thank you so much for cooking with us today. I hope you truly enjoyed this quick fried rice recipe. If you're not really a big fan of meat, this is actually the recipe that you have to try and make it for yourself. All right, thank you so much, and I hope you share it for us. And also I hope that you continue to support us with your love. And as you enjoy this recipe, please make sure that you share our page for us, because that way it helps the channel to grow more and larger. Thank you so much for watching, and until I see my next video, stay safe.